So, you're tired of Koho. Maybe the fees are piling up, customer service isn't cutting it, or you just found a better financial app. Whatever the reason, you're ready to cut ties. But how do you actually delete your Koho account? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to delete your Koho account. Is it the monthly fees? The lack of features? Or maybe you're just looking to simplify your financial life. Whatever the reason, it's important to understand why you're making this decision. Alright, let's get down to business. The first thing you need to do is make sure your account is squeaky clean. This means no outstanding balance, no pending transactions, and no active subscriptions. Trust me, this will save you a headache later. Once your account is clear, it's time to contact Koho. While there might be a self-service option to close your account, it's often easier and faster to talk to a real person. You can usually reach Koho through their app, website, or by phone. Be prepared to verify your identity. Koho will want to make sure it's actually you trying to close the account. So, have your ID ready. When you're on the phone with Koho, be clear and concise about your intention to close your account. Don't be afraid to repeat yourself if necessary. And while you're at it, ask about any potential fees or charges associated with closing your account. After you've confirmed your decision to close the account, you'll likely be asked to confirm your identity one more time. Once that's done, you should receive a confirmation email or message from Koho. Now, here's a tip: screenshot or save a copy of this confirmation for your records. You never know when you might need it in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Koho account. It might seem like a small victory, but it's one step closer to a simpler financial life. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some alternatives to Koho. If you're looking for a new financial app, there are plenty of options out there. Do your research, compare features, and find the one that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.